Hello everyone. This is CA Ravi Taori. I hope you're doing good, mentally and physically fit and fine. Friends, in this particular video, we are going to see details of CA Final Audit English batch. Yes, full English batch, especially for South India students and students who are comfortable only in English. Let's see, guys. So the batch available is Super 40 regular exam oriented batch, friends. So it is Super 40, that means it's only 40 lectures. Yes, it's only 40. In fact, less than 40 lectures are there. Around 38 lectures are there, guys. Each lecture is of around 3 hours. You can say that. Around 135 hours the total duration. 115 hours is on concepts and 20 hours is study material questions discussion. We call it regular because it covers all the 19 chapters. Everything from study material is covered because our audit titanium book was framed after the new study material. From scratch, we made our material as per the new ICI study material. All the things are covered, guys. And then we covered the SM questions also. So that's guys for regular. It is exam oriented because the duration is not that high. Duration is low. That's why it's called exam oriented also. Guys, I'm teaching for past 17 years. That's my experience. And for 3 years, I've done my articleship from PricewaterhouseCoopers and I've done industrial training also. So it's 20 years I'm connected to subject of audit. I'm all India rank holder. So I know that mindset, that approach, what is required to perform at that super level. I've taught across India, whether it is Delhi, Chandigarh, Jaipur, Ahmedabad, Pune, Mumbai, Indore, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai. So I know what kind of doubts students have, and we keep everything in mind when we explain the concepts. I've also cleared 2 levels of CFA USA. I'm a third level candidate. Never appeared for third. Maybe I will appear with you. I'm a thorough subject specialist, guys. I focus only on audit. GD and PD are available. The whole course is complete, available in GD and PD format. So you don't have to wait whether lectures are going to come, when they are going to come. That is not required, guys. We focus a lot on understanding. This new course questions clearly indicate that a deeper conceptual understanding is required. It's not like that we are going to simply read. The complete background, application, Q&A discussion, everything takes place along with the classes. We specialize in memorization. It's not just mnemonics, but image recognition technique, matching technique, wide connections, flow method, chronological method, grouping method. All these different things are used to make sure that you remember concept in easiest possible manner. And guys, next comes the most important, revision. In around 15 hours, you will be able to cover the whole subject. We have prepared revision videos. So once you watch lectures, just watch the revision video of that corresponding chapter. Then watch Q&A discussion of that particular chapter. You will be fully prepared for the topic. So 15 hours we covered the concept revision, 18 hours we covered the question Q&A revision. Guys, the special thing is you are going to get checked DPQ. Yes, daily practice question. For every lecture, there will be a question. You write that and our team is going to check it. That's a wonderful thing we do. We are the only one to provide such kind of thing where daily practice question is getting checked. Around 5 tests will be there. They're more than sufficient for writing practice, guys. You are going to get audit titanium book, 1 volume, around 350 pages. So every concept, there's a concept number and question numbers and MCQ numbers are given so that you know exactly on what particular concept, what question is there. And in question bank, next to every question number, you are going to see concept numbers. You know exactly that on which particular concept this question is based. So they are interlinked, guys. Again, is a unique feature, only we provide this. MCQ book you are going to get in soft copy. We have already covered around top 100 MCQs. We have prepared video. It's ready. It will be provided to you. Where all the case scenario based MCQs issued by ICI till date for new course, everything is covered there. You can ask doubts on WhatsApp, Telegram, Zoom sessions, and we are going to have complete support till exams. Guys, you can get the details in the description. There will be link from where you can enroll for the classes, number where you can talk about it. So let's meet in the class and let's make audit super good as a subject.